Into my room.
This is your room?
Yeah.
Wow, where's our room?
In there.
In there?
I don't sleep on that bed.
Really? Wait, let's see your room first. Okay, this is Abby's room, she says. And she has a TV and a desk, and Dad's already got stuff on
Wait,
it.
but look at the view of my room. Come here, wait.
Wait, okay. Yeah, show me.
Go out there. Look down there.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's nice. So what's this room?
that's the bathroom.
Oh, a bathroom? Oh, the powder room. And,
We share it though.
ooh, oh, we share it. Okay, and then, okay, all right. Okay, that's cool. So, we'll go back out this way. Turn some lights off. Wait, wrong light. Well, you got a big closet. Wonder if we got a big closet. That's huge. We should have just stayed here longer. Dad picked this place.
No closet. But there's your mini fridge in here, and you have the microwave.
The microwave is in our room. Wow.
Yeah, you'd think it'd be in the more like open room, but
Yeah. So they just upgraded us for no apparent reason, just because they had extra rooms. She upgraded us because we had 3 people in our party.
And because my mom went up to the counter like, "Hi, I'm here to check in." I'm just kidding.
So, Dad, you're happy you got your own room, huh?
Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
We'll have to knock on the door when we're using it.
Freezer stuff in there.
Yeah, you better undo our groceries. So we went to Walmart here and just got a whole bunch of stuff for the fridge and snacks for tomorrow when we go on a hike, whatever we're gonna do. So this is at the, let me get the exact name of it. Is it the Comfort Inn?
Maybe.
Let me get the exact name, just so you know. It is called the Quality Inn and Suites in Westminster / Broomfield, and it is on Church Ranch Way in Westminster, Colorado. And this is June 20th, 2022. And after our stay, we'll tell you what we think about it, and we'll let you know about breakfast and how that is, because there's a pretty decent sized breakfast room down there. So I'm excited to see what they offer. I usually only eat like maybe bacon or eggs or something. I don't usually eat that much. I hardly ever eat. I'll take some fruit for later usually. So far so good. They upgraded us, like I said, from a double queen room to we come in, and when we first walked in we said hex no. Abby said no.
I said, "What is this? I'm not sleeping on the couch."
And then I was like, wait, what's that door? And then I was like, well, she said that we had 3 beds in here. This isn't 3 beds, and it was 3 beds, all right. Okay, we'll tell you more later. His money, he rolls his own. Now, babe, how was breakfast down there?
Do you want the honest answer, or do you want the
Well, with
polished
the
up
honest, be nice answer.
response? You know, well, honestly, I myself didn't mind because I really don't eat a whole lot of breakfast, but I did dip into the Bear Claw, the blueberry muffin prepackaged deal they had. Of course, there's fruit. It would be bananas, oranges, and apples. They do have a waffle maker. I rarely have patience for those. Also, there was 3 different selections of cereal. The coffee had real half and half and a little refrigerator with, of course, yogurts and hard-boiled eggs and things like that. But in general, you could eat well here. You wouldn't starve. There's a little bit of something for everybody. And don't forget the hash browns, and then next to them there's chicken nuggets. You tell me.
Thirsty too. some of this.
On the air fryer.
If you need the regular half and half, it's inside.
Oh, thank you. Half and half up here.
Chicken nuggets. It's your protein, right?
And they have a waffle maker. So, excuse me, but here's the whirlpool and the pool here at the Quality Inn and Suites. And a nice little whirlpool here. We're gonna go eat our breakfast. Abby, tell them what you thought about the chicken nuggets.
They were good.
She liked them.
They were okay.
They're okay. So now what are we gonna get?
A waffle.
Ooh, she needs a waffle.
I only got 3 chicken nuggets because I didn't know if they were gonna be good.
Yeah, she was testing them, testing the waters. But she liked the chicken nuggets. It's good. I bet you a lot of the kids like the chicken nuggets. Yeah. And this is the oh, just fill it up and go. Waffle making 101. Are there baby waffles? Oh, those are cute. And you're on the timer. On the countdown.
This one is 3 to 5 minutes, right?
Una pregunta. ¿Tú hay poquito de gas extra para la no hay ni wash ahorita, pero tú hay poquito que damos para arriba y no necesito wash. ¿Ah?
They're really fluffy.
Oh. Ok, mi wash, está bien. Ok, pero es...
I feel like Dad's gonna steal waffles now.
Sí. ¿Sí?
whole bunch of other things in case you need them. Candy, pop. I'm kind of going in a little bit faster, but I can tell you this is the quad.